Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce an artificial intelligence that can convert text into video in just 5 to 10 seconds. The videos you're watching now were created by this AI. In the following sections, I'll introduce this tool and teach you how to use it. The name of this unique AI is Kling AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go to my monitor page. Go to the website and sign up for a free account. You'll receive free credits that you can use to convert text into images. There's a video editing feature that hasn't been released yet, but it will be soon. Currently, you can convert text into photos or videos. If we scroll down, we can see some examples of the videos and photos that have been generated. My first experience was with a video prompt about a woman sitting alone on the beach, staring at the sea. The video captured the feelings of loneliness and peace, and the result was truly unique. Kling AI provides you with a series of settings. You can write parameters in this section to control the AI's creativity. The more you go in this direction, the more creative the results will be. There's a standard mode and 2-time modes of 5 and 10 seconds. The 10-second mode is currently locked but will be activated in the future. You can also determine the dimensions of the video. The next section is about the camera, which provides you with a series of camera movement options. In the negative prompt section, you can specify what you don't want the AI to include. Let me generate a video with the prompt a beautiful painting of a young woman with light filtering through the leaves, creating dappled shadows. Soft light falls on her face. After registration, you'll receive 66 free credits. Each video generated costs 10 credits, so you can create 6 videos. As you can see, the video was generated according to the parameters and has excellent quality, lighting, and creativity. The camera angle is exactly what we set. It will definitely get even better in the future. Now, let's try generating an AI image. You can write a prompt with a maximum of 2,500 characters. I've prepared a prompt, a powerful anime character in a 3D style, hyper-realistic oil painting, a mysterious witch casting magic in the forest, clear facial features, octane render, ray tracing, depth of field, super detail. In this section, we can determine the dimensions of the photo and the number of images to generate. Let's generate it. It costs 1 credit for 5 photos, 1.40 credits for 7 photos, and 1.80 credits for 9 photos. That's a great deal. The generated images are beautiful, high quality, and detailed. Kling AI does have some shortcomings that will likely be addressed in future updates. Additionally, more features will be added. In the remainder of the video, I'll generate videos with different prompts to demonstrate the power of Kling AI.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down to fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavy. Push me down to the ground, what goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out, you can't get to me. Say what you wanna say, go take it all away, but I'm here to stay, no you can't get to me. And there is no